Hi everybody, it is week 8 of my vlog, and this week I want to talk to you all about my camper van, my brand new course, and some possible career choices that I have made this week. So first of all, I am very excited that I, Michael David Roberts, have successfully painted and protected the floor of my van. Now you're probably thinking, Michael, this does not need to be in your vlog. It's very boring content, but it is not boring content because I am in love with my Volkswagen camper van and I just want it to be the best version of itself. Like, we all want to be the best versions of ourselves, and we shouldn't limit those beliefs when it comes to our vehicles. So over the weekend, I decided it was a good idea to paint the floor of my van so that it was protected and it was going to stop any future rust from happening. Now, you can never truly protect yourself against rust. However, you can put things in place to slow down the process and actually make your van floor a bit more secure than it would be if it wasn't painted and protected with a nice tin of Hammerite. So it does look really, really good, and it's made my floor look brand spanking new. I had to take the floor out in between Christmas and New Year, and you will have seen that in my Vlogmas challenge that I did in 2020. And so the van is still not back to normal. It's still kind of in bits, but the engine's good. The floor of the van is good. The holes have all been filled with more metal, and it's all been protected on the floor. So I'm very happy with the way in which my van is at the moment. So that's the van out of the way. So another thing that I have done this week is I have been in meetings, and I've had various different meetings, because what I do, I'm not just somebody who films and produces content. I'm also a video coach. I'm also a filmmaker that aspires to film his own independent sitcom and have it on the likes of Netflix or Amazon. So there's a few things in the pipeline in which that I am working on, and this week I had a great meeting with a few people about Morbid and how we can get the budget for Morbid sorted, how we can actually figure out the plan. How much money do we need? Who do we pay off? Who's going to give us money? When do they get their money back? When do we get the investment back for the episodes? All of these questions I have no understanding, and even trying to explain it is very hard. So I am in the process of talking to people within the financial district that can basically say, right, this is how an investor would look at this product. So we are banging down doors, we are finding out answers to very hard questions, and I am being enlightened by all of this, and I'm learning new skills as we go along. That is where Morbid's at the moment, and I'm very excited to share that information with you. And lastly, I would like to talk to you this week about my online course, Camera Confidence. Now, a few people have actually said to me this week, Michael, you are so confident when it comes to being on camera, and I should hope so. I'm a filmmaker and video coach and actor, so I'd like to think I am quite good in those roles. But even I struggle with confidence. Now, a couple of my videos that go out on a Wednesday, you would have seen yesterday's video that talked about the importance of confidence, and having confidence is a very big thing. So I could talk a lot about confidence and how you can build your confidence on camera, but that is for my Wednesday content. I just wanted to tell you that my camera confidence course is going to be out, hopefully, fingers crossed, next week, if I can actually get all my work done. So that has been my vlog this week. I hope that I have filled you with loads of nuggets of insight into my life this week. And I am starting to feel now, we're 8 weeks into this vlog, I'm starting to feel like I'm sensing where it's going now. And the only way I could get to this stage was to just film content and talk. And now I'm starting to think, right, there are 3 key things each week that I can focus on and talk about. And that is the whole thing about vlogging. It's finding where the story is, finding where the content is, and then piecing it all together, cutting out all the non-valued bits and stacking it. So there you go. That's my vlog for this week. And this is probably one of the easiest vlogs that I have done to date. So I hope that you have enjoyed it. I will be back next week. If you would like to see my previous vlogs, then don't forget to go to youtube.com/TakeTheCakePro. If you would like to subscribe, click the button. If you would like to see when I post all my latest videos, don't forget to click the bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week.